In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add leave in Outlook Calendar. Adding your leave or time off to Outlook is a simple way to keep your schedule clear. Let your team know you're unavailable and avoid double bookings while you're away. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step. And I'll also share a few tips so your leave shows up correctly for everyone who needs to see it. First, open Outlook and go to your calendar view. You can do this by selecting the calendar icon, usually found on the left-hand side of the Outlook window. Make sure you're in the correct account if you have more than one email or calendar connected. You'll want to be on the work calendar where your colleagues can see your availability. Next, navigate to the dates of your leave. You can use the mini calendar on the side or the navigation arrows at the top to move to the right month and week. Once you've found the first day of your leave, click on that day to start creating a new event. In most versions of Outlook, you can double-click directly on the date or use the New Appointment or New Event button at the top. In the event window, start by giving your leave a clear title, something like Annual Leave, Vacation, or Out of Office, Works Well, especially if others rely on your calendar. Then, set the start and end dates to cover your full leave period. If you're away for full days, select the option to mark it as an all-day event, so it spans the entire day on your calendar. Now, adjust your availability. Look for the setting that controls how your time appears, usually labeled as Show As. Change this from Busy or Tentative to Out of Office. This ensures that when colleagues try to schedule meetings with you, they can immediately see you're not available at all during that period. If needed, add any notes in the description area, such as who to contact while you're away, or a brief message about your absence. Keep in mind that these notes may be visible to others in your organization, depending on your calendar permissions. Finally, review the dates and settings one more time, then click Save or Save and close. Your leave is now added to Outlook Calendar and will appear clearly as out of office for the duration you selected.